Hi, I'm Tadao of Mada Skyrude. Mada Skyrude is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. I'm actually making this video because I think this is much useful to make a short video of how to replace the tail lamps of the 2009 Nissan Versa hatchback. And I had to take out the light unit from the body because it's broken. My daughter was driving it and then hit to the tree. And but anyways, when I was taking out the unit, I realized that this cord, you cannot replace the light bulb without removing the entire light unit. And this is really bad. But anyways, if I think the light bulb will burn out anyways in some days, and then you have to you're gonna face this problem. And many other cars, you can just simply access to the light bulb socket from inside of the car, just pop off the plastic cover without using any the wrench or the big hardwares. It just use a screwdriver, probably minus screwdriver, and pop out the plastic cover and replace the light bulb. But unfortunately, this Nissan Versa 2009 Nissan Versa hatchback, you cannot do that. You have to remove the entire lighting unit. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the lighting unit, and it's kind of tricky. And I don't like this process because you have some I dropped off some small like a cushion parts kind of thing, and you have to be really careful about not dropping the nuts inside the cover or so forth. So it's really tricky process, but that saves lots of money, I guess. Light bulb is much cheaper than just having someone to replace it. So anyways, I hope this video will help you. This is how I did. Sorry. So there's a one screw over there. That's a 10mm nut, and I found here, I think this is just a cover for the nut, and unscrewing these two nuts will hopefully remove that light unit. So let's see how it gonna goes. So actually what I did was there's a pin here. I pushed this pin this way to the right. And then this looks like this is the terminal. And I also wanna move this connector. So I'm gonna use a 10mm socket. This is tricky. I don't want to drop the nut here. Okay. If I drop this nut down there, then I think I have to remove the entire panel, this panel, and it's gonna be probably really big pain to do so. Okay, now I'm gonna move on. There's another 10mm. I believe it's 10mm. Okay. so I don't want to drop this guy. Really tricky. There we go. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay. It's off. Okay. So this is the some cushion that came off from here when I pulled out this the light unit. This light is not damaged, it's not broken, but again I repeat the same thing I said before. This design is really bad, because if you want to replace these light bulbs, it's still light bulb. This model 2009 doesn't really use the LED on the lights, so these light bulb will burn out someday. And then to replace the light bulb, you have to remove the entire light unit by popping off the plastic cover from inside, and then release this nut. And even after releasing the nut, I actually struggled a little bit to pull out this light unit from the body. And then when I pulled it out, actually there's a one pin here, and pulled out, this guy popped off, and also there's another pin here. So to work on this, replacing a light bulb should be easy, but for this car you probably need to, most of the person who doesn't have the skill of engineering skill has to go to the repair shop and have this repaired or replaced. And light bulb itself is a couple of dollars, but if you have someone to do it, they're gonna be much more expensive. It's really bad. Okay, so I think I'm gonna glue this one and put back this light unit. I glued the square thing. I hope this will fit here. socket. So I'm gonna go inside and tighten the screws. I can simply put back the nut again, don't drop it. And this side, bottom. Okay, connector is on, so I'm gonna just simply put this part on the boat. Okay, and then place back this guy. Okay, and this one. Okay, so it's done. And if you are watching that for the replacement of light bulb, it's done. And yeah, I don't think this is a good design. You should be able to access that socket without using the screwdriver. So that's the belief. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Bye.